Welcome to this new lesson, and in this lesson we're going to install our theme right onto our Blogger blog. So before we install the theme, we need to have the theme, right? So right below this video there's a link to download the theme, which theme we're going to use for free. So before we install the theme or download the theme, I'm going to show you the live preview, so you're going to see how the theme, our website, is going to look like after we install the theme right onto our own blog. So I'm going to click on live preview right now to show you how and some of these functionality. So guys, as of the time I'm creating this video, this theme still remains number one in the market as long as Blogger is concerned. So I love this theme so much, and it's going to give us a lot of flexibility, and you can download this theme for free. So I'm going to give, as like I said earlier on, and the link description or below the video you could see a download link. You will download this theme for free with the link. So I'm going to click on live preview right now to see how this theme is going to look like when we install it into our blog. So this is how it's going to look like, guys. So as you can see, it's fully an e-commerce masterpiece theme. Like, the theme is so wonderful and so fantastic. I especially love this theme. As you can see, it has here all collections. These are the collections right on the store. You can see from fashion to electronics to we're gonna edit every single part of it so that it's gonna match whatever thing you're actually doing. As you can see, above it is the contact details, the numbers, and the logo as well. So these are the methods or the warranties available here. So let's look at some of the products display, so you see how the product displays and how beautiful it is. So as you can see, this is how the product actually displays. So it's gonna have this little thumbnail when you hover your mouse on it. So as you can see, the product display is very, very, very beautiful, and this theme, like I said, still remains number one for me in the market. So you can see it's very pretty and fantastic. So this course, I believe you're getting value from the course. It's a wonderful course. So as you can see, like I told you, the products are displaying nicely and fantastic. So let's see the footer. So here is the footer, and we can edit every single part of this. So don't worry, make sure you join me in subsequent lessons to see how we're gonna edit every single part of this stuff so that it will match our own brand. So I could so test out some things to confirm a few things for you. So let me click on shop now to see how it's going to display and how it's going to look like. So it's kind of loading up right now. So it loads up, and we're here. This is the product description. This product description, these are related products, and this is where we can add it to cart, view cart, and checkout. So let me add this to cart. Let me check out as well. So it's gonna redirect me right to the checkout page so that I could enter my details and my payment method. So as you can see, say my name, my city, everything about the shipping, everything. So this is what we're gonna implement in our own website. So as you can see, these are the payment options available: PayPal, cash on delivery, UPI transfer, bank transfer. So you can also pay with Google Pay. So these are the payment method available, and it's fantastic. So like I said earlier on, the download link of this theme is below this video. So join me in the next lesson where we edit every single part of this theme right away. Thank you very much.